Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Something different in this week, a BMW 128 Ti. Let's start with the modifications and transformations.
Today we have this stunning F90 M5 competition in behind me. We've seen this car before. We've fitted the Eveturi Carbon intake, the Remus Axle back exhaust. We have also fitted the 20-inch Motech MW1 wheels on the Eibach lowering springs. Today the car's been in for a full carbon kit. We're talking kidney grills, 3-part front splitter, side skirts, spoiler. We have also got the car booked in for future detailing, so keep an eye out on the page and wait and see that.
So let's talk about staff cars. It's quite interesting to always hear conversations in the office, what you'd buy, what's your next car, what you got coming planned, modifications you want to do to it. So Lucas started with us probably about 3, maybe 4 months ago now. He mainly does a lot of the online chat and obviously replying back to emails. One of the cars when he started here was a horrible old Jag we thought he pinched from his dad, but he was used to doing a lot of miles in his previous job, so he managed to sell that and we convinced him to buy this. 5-door M140 2019 car. These are really good to modify because we've always said in previous videos, an M140 is an amazing car, but from factory just look a bit soft. So we're going to run this on the channel along some modifications about what we're doing. First of the things we had to do was sort the suspension kit out. Lucas is actually quite a handy driver. He used to go-kart, so he used to be quite quick and did race against Lando Norris. Probably got beat a few times as well. But anyway, so this car is sitting on Stance Plus, which is a 30 front and 25mm rear drop. It is a more aggressive R2 spring kits. 12mm spacers on the front and 15 on the back, and he can automatically feel the difference. He has more confidence in the car has more turning ability, and just feels a whole lot more stable. We will be doing other modifications, or down to his wallet and what he can pay, and if I'm interested in doing a discount. But first off, modifications had to be done, so we had to sort the ride height out. And as you can see, it's transformed the car. They are so high from factory, and now after doing a few miles, it sits absolutely perfectly. So let us know what you think of his car and the start modifications, and what would be your first modifications, or second should we say, on this M140. Thanks a lot. Right, all done. What do you think? Absolute stunning, red and black, perfect color combination. This 128 Ti really does stand out. So on the 128 Ti, if you don't really know, the 135i is an X-Drive car. These are front-wheel drive cars. This was actually to go against the Golf GTI, where the 135i was to go against Golf R and S3s, that sort of stuff. So it's quite a rare car. But it's been in for today, Motech Stance springs, which is a 30 front, 25 rear. It's actually a little lower at the back at the minute because the customer's original wheels are in there. The reason why they're in there is because we had these fitted. Our 19-inch Motech MW1 on the new Michelin Pilot 5 tyre, absolute perfect fit, no need for spacers. And as you can see, if you're looking down here as well, nice little bit of detail just to finish them off is the Motech badging, along with the Maxton kit, just to really give it that sort of theme of the gloss black with the red. Fan of these, really like them, want to see more through the door. Let us know what you think of the colour combination of this 128 Ti. Thanks a lot.